Hi everyone, meteorologist Ed Valley here, taking a look at the Northeast. We have plenty of clear skies out there today, but that's not going to last too long, unfortunately. So we have a nice day today. It's cold, but it's dry, it's sunny, no weather issues out there really. Now, you're looking here at the map, valid Sunday evening. You can see there's stuff on the map. So let's talk about how that happens. So first things first, this afternoon, you notice I mentioned it was dry. Well, this afternoon and evening, we could see a few flurries right along the international border. Could put down a coating to maybe up to an inch in some of the highest of elevations. Those will end early Saturday. Saturday ends up being a dry day with increasing clouds. And you'll see the cloud cover here midday, starting to increase those clouds. And by evening, there's plenty of cloud cover for most areas. And that should come with increasing temperature, but also a little bit of drizzle, maybe a little freezing drizzle inland. So this is around 1 a.m. Sunday morning. Magenta, you see, is a little freezing drizzle. Pink is sleet. Little blue far north, but then green down to the south. You see temperatures around that time, 1 a.m. Sunday, really starting to warm up. And I'm going to just show you this temperature progression between 1 a.m. and 7 a.m. Sunday. And by 7 a.m., here's the look. Interior, as always, will take some time to scour out that cold, but most areas are at or above freezing by 7 a.m. And you see through the morning by 1 p.m., 60s south. And by the afternoon, I think these temperatures are a little bit low. I think we're pushing 70 locally here in parts of the mid-Atlantic, pushing 50 and 60 for the rest of us. So let's talk about this system. We obviously have quite a bit to talk about. Notice, again, early on Sunday morning, 1 to 5 a.m. inland, maybe a little bit of ice. But most areas Sunday, it's just a few showers, maybe even a rumble of thunder possible. Again, with those warm temperatures around, it's not a lot of rain. It's a trace to a quarter of an inch, it looks like, for Sunday. So Sunday is not overly wet, maybe up to a couple, 3/4 in some of the highest of elevations. However, you notice late in the day, this is going to move away pretty quickly. So the amount of rain is not that much, but look at these temperatures. As I said, I think the other model I showed you was low. 70s on Sunday, as far north as Albany. That's incredible. 60s as far north as almost Montreal, Portland. Very warm for the day on Sunday. It could be warmer in far northwestern New York than it is on Cape Cod because of the, and even the Jersey Shore because of the sea breeze, right? So an interesting setup, but again, the amount of rain here on Sunday is maybe 1 to 3/10 is a better estimate. But that sets up an intriguing look here for Monday. And I say that for a multitude of reasons, because what's going to be happening here is through the day on Monday, a cold front's going to slice through New England. So what's going to happen here Sunday? Like I said, Sunday's warm, warm, warm. 70s around 7 p.m. That's incredibly warm. But look at the front, slam southward overnight. And by sunrise on Monday, it's 45 along the south coast of New England. It's still 55 to 60 in South Jersey, but it's near freezing across northern New England. And that front is going to act as a railroad track for that next storm. And you can see it here Monday coming in. It's rain south of I-90, even into southern New Hampshire and Vermont. But it's snow to the north where you got some of that colder air. And you see the temperatures by the end of the day on Monday. Again, it's a wet snow, but it's probably snowing central Vermont, New Hampshire, northward. And what happens here Monday night is that rain snow line probably gets into central Vermont, New Hampshire, and then crashes southward as the system moves away Monday night. Might even end as a period of light snow along I-90. But you notice the snowfall amounts with this very far inland. And it's a 3 to 6, 4 to 8 type event, a wet, wet, wet snow. You look at the GFS model. You notice it's rather similar, maybe slightly further south with that heavier snow. So there is some stuff we got to figure out here, but it's not a blockbuster, but it will be quite the change of pace when we go from that warm and windy on Sunday to the snow possible later Monday night, okay? Now, the Canadian model, finally, also pretty far north. So, again, this is not a southern New England thing or a mid-Atlantic thing. This is a northern area thing. And then beyond that system, we dry out for Tuesday and Wednesday. And then perhaps another system, this is the Canadian model, towards the end of next week. Most models have that end of week system as rain But you notice inland, that could be a different story. So winter is far from over across the interior, where the clock is certainly ticking along the coast, but even still, I think we got to get through next week first because there are a few opportunities on the maps. But again, favoring the interior as it should as we head towards the second week of March. But again, all options are on the table here with an active pattern and a cooler than normal pattern as well. So temperatures today are cold. Tomorrow we warm up. Sunday is very warm, as I said. Monday, look at that. I mean, we're 35 along the international border. It's 75 near Philly. That's incredible. Tuesday, everybody cools back off. But notice Wednesday, Thursday, it's a lot of 40s and 50s, which is pretty typical for March. And then as we watch that storm system move in, we may get a colder shot of air for the middle of the month. So again, winter's not over yet. These are high temperatures, so still seeing temperatures near freezing into the middle of the month across northern areas. So have a good weekend. If you have questions, let us know, and we'll be back on Sunday. John will have a video for you.